Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. This is my first official vlog at the Concord, Virginia branch of RSG. This is the main headquarter branch. If you guys have known, I've been in Richmond for the past 4 weeks. So, just sort of starting out. This is my third day at the RSG Concord branch. This is one of their liquid spray trucks. And we have on the back this awesome Gator. It's got a 200-gallon tank and it's got booms on it. And I'm going to be spraying 5 acres today with the help of one of their commercial pesticide applicators, Russell. It's been very helpful and teaching me so far these past couple days. Here's the hose reel here with the gun and the booms. We're gonna go kill some weeds today.
Yeah, let's kill them.
This is Russell. You're a commercial pesticide applicator, right?
That's true. Yeah.
Yeah, and a CDL driver.
And a CDL driver, and a certified horticulturalist, and I can build walls. I can mow. I can do everything that the company does. So.
Yeah, this guy is the man.
That's what they say.
So anyway, this is my third day with Russell. The first day we were spraying with the truck. The second day, yesterday, we mowed. And today we are going to be spraying. Now unfortunately, this is the type of facility where I am not allowed to film. It is a sort of secretive facility. I can't even take pictures. So I just thought I would get a quick little video of the setup. And then hopefully tomorrow we'll be at a place where I can film. But out of respect for the company we're going to be servicing and out of respect for RSG, unfortunately you guys will not get to see this bad boy in action today. But anyway guys, hope you all are doing well, hope you all enjoying the videos. I'll catch you soon.
Now. It's okay. Keep your foot on the brake. You can ease it off if you want to. Just ease it on. You might slide a little bit. That's okay. Just keep your foot on the brake. Okay, good job.
Nice. I didn't die.
Yeah? But you thought you might.
Oh, I have it in gear.
Yeah, it's a little tricky.